Imagine buying a car so good, so dependable, and so well-rounded. You'd never need to second-guess your decision. That's exactly what this list is about. The 7 nearly perfect cars of 2025 to 26 that deliver exceptional reliability, performance, and peace of mind. These picks are Consumer Reports approved, owner loved, and built to handle anything life throws at them. From smart tech to standout design and proven engines, these cars are a step ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. Toyota Camry. The 2025 Toyota Camry is a masterclass in evolution, taking everything drivers love and making it better. It's not just reliable. It's now sleeker, smarter, and more engaging than ever. You can choose between a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine, a smooth hybrid, or even a peppy V6 in certain trims. Toyota's hybrid system has improved with better torque delivery and even quieter transitions between gas and electric. The 2025 Camry gets sharper front-end styling with sleeker LED headlights and a more aggressive bumper design. Its proportions are longer and lower than previous generations, giving it a sporty and refined appearance. Inside, the Camry is quieter and more premium. Toyota upgraded soft touch materials across the dash and added more intuitive touchscreen controls. Rear legroom is generous, and trunk space remains class-leading. It's one of the few sedans that delivers reliability, strong resale value, and now real design appeal. The Camry continues to dominate for a reason. It simply does everything well. But what if you want all that reliability with a luxury badge and sharper driving feel? Let's head over to a premium brand that's known for excellence without excess. Lexus IS. The Lexus IS is the compact luxury sedan that continues to fly under the radar. But those who know. It's a mix of reliable Lexus engineering and rear-wheel drive performance that's rare in its class. For 2025, it brings even more tech, comfort, and elegance into the mix. With multiple engine options, from a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 to a gutsy V6, the IS delivers punchy acceleration with a smooth ride. The suspension has been recalibrated to balance comfort and cornering grip, especially in the F-Sport models. The exterior styling of the IS is bold and aggressive, featuring Lexus's signature spindle grille and L-shaped LED daytime running lights. Its low, wide stance gives it a planted look, and 19-inch wheels on higher trims add to the performance image. Sculpted side panels and a muscular rear end complete the modern, sporty aesthetic. Inside, the IS delivers a cabin that feels built to last, with tight panel gaps, plush leather seating, and available open-pore wood trim. New for 2025 is a refreshed infotainment system with a larger screen and better voice recognition. It's one of the few cars that gives you both driver engagement and Lexus-level reliability. Let's shift gears from subtle luxury to bold athleticism. Our next car blends the thrill of a coupe with the presence of a high-riding SUV, and it's not shy about turning heads. BMW X6. The BMW X6 continues to be a statement piece in the world of premium SUVs. With its sloping roofline and assertive design, it's more than just a utility vehicle. It's a performance machine. And in 2025, it's faster, smarter, and more luxurious than ever. Despite its size, the X6 corners like a much smaller vehicle thanks to adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system makes it incredibly stable in all weather conditions. Few SUVs make a first impression like the X6. Its coupe SUV silhouette is distinct, futuristic, and unmistakably BMW. New LED laser headlights, optional illuminated kidney grills, and dynamic 21 wheels amplify its road presence. The interior is tech-rich and luxurious, featuring BMW's curved dual display system and iDrive 8.5 interface. Soft touch leather, real metal trim, and customizable ambient lighting give the cabin a lounge-like vibe. Space is still generous despite the roofline, and the panoramic glass roof now spans even more of the cabin. Its performance, tech, and luxury rolled into one striking design. For buyers who want their SUV to feel like a sports car and a luxury lounge, the X6 nails the brief. And surprisingly, reliability scores have improved significantly in recent years. Now, what if you want those luxury touches, but with classic practicality and a price that doesn't make your wallet sweat? This next car is the sedan that redefines value in 2025. Honda Accord. The 2025 Honda Accord is sharper, quieter, and more tech-savvy than ever before. A long-time midsize favorite, it's back to reclaim its spot as the smartest sedan in its class. Efficient, roomy, and now incredibly stylish, this is Honda at its best. The hybrid system now powers most trims, delivering over 48 mpg combined without compromising on driving feel. The electric torque gives it quick responsiveness in the city, while highway cruising is smooth and composed. Steering feels direct, and the ride is balanced, great for both commuters and families. Honda's new design language gives the Accord a sleek, wide look with a clean front fascia and crisp LED lighting. Longer overall length and a lower roofline make it feel more like a luxury sedan than an economy car. Step inside, and it feels like a different league. The layout is clean, driver-focused, and modern. High-quality materials, minimal plastic, and features like a 12.3-inch touchscreen and Google Built-in elevate the experience. It's the rare sedan that's both rational and exciting, practical, but never dull. Honda built this with long-term ownership in mind, and it shows in every detail. Plus, it holds its value like a champ. Ready to complete the list? If you're still watching, drop a yes in the comments, and I'll bring you the final 3 cars that prove perfection isn't a myth in the automotive world. Mazda CX5. The 2025 Mazda CX5 stands out in the compact SUV segment by delivering a premium experience at a non-premium price. Known for its engaging driving dynamics and upscale interior, it offers a blend of performance and comfort that's hard to beat. Equipped with a standard 2.5-liter engine producing 187 horsepower, the CX5 offers responsive acceleration and smooth handling. For those seeking more power, the turbocharged variant delivers up to 256 horsepower, enhancing highway merging and overtaking. The CX5's design is both sporty and elegant, featuring a bold front grille and sleek LED headlights. Its sculpted body lines and available 19-inch alloy wheels contribute to a dynamic stance. Inside, the CX5 boasts high-quality materials with soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery. The cabin is thoughtfully designed, offering intuitive controls and a driver-focused layout. The 2025 Mazda CX5 combines driving enjoyment with practicality, making it a standout choice for those seeking a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers rugged capability with everyday comfort, our next pick has you covered. Subaru Outback. The 2025 Subaru Outback continues its legacy as a versatile crossover, blending SUV utility with car-like handling. It's designed for those who crave adventure without sacrificing daily drivability. The Outback offers 2 engine options, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 182 horsepower and a turbocharged 2.4-liter delivering 260 horsepower. The standard engine provides adequate power for daily commutes, while the turbocharged variant offers brisk acceleration for highway driving. With its raised ground clearance and rugged cladding, the Outback exudes an adventurous spirit. LED headlights and a bold front grille enhance its modern appearance. The cabin offers a spacious and comfortable environment, with supportive seats and quality materials. An available 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system provides easy access to navigation and entertainment. The 2025 Subaru Outback is a reliable companion for both urban commutes and off-the-beaten-path adventures, offering versatility and peace of mind. For those seeking a midsize sedan that combines style, efficiency, and value, our final pick delivers on all fronts. Hyundai Sonata. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata impresses with its sleek design, advanced technology, and efficient performance. It's a compelling choice for drivers looking for a sedan that stands out in a crowded segment. Consumer feedback highlights its comfort and reliability with an 85% recommendation rate. The Sonata offers a range of powertrains, including a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a hybrid variant. The standard engine delivers smooth acceleration, while the hybrid achieves impressive fuel economy. A bold front fascia, characterized by a wide grille and distinctive LED lighting, gives the Sonata a modern look. Sculpted body lines and a fastback roofline contribute to its aerodynamic profile. Inside, the Sonata offers a driver-centric cockpit with a large digital display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata delivers a blend of style, technology, and efficiency, making it a standout option in the midsize sedan category. Each of these vehicles has earned accolades for reliability, owner satisfaction, and safety. Consumer reports and J.D. Power ratings reflect their strong performance in real-world conditions. Whether you're seeking a sedan or an SUV, these models offer peace of mind and exceptional value. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 7 nearly perfect cars of 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Have questions or experiences with these models? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.